In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a quotation template in Canva. If you've ever tried to build a professional looking quotation from scratch, you already know how quickly things can get messy. Text can shift out of place, pricing columns can look uneven, and drawing everything manually takes far more time than it should. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier, especially when you use the right layout tools from the start. Begin by opening your web browser, signing in to your Canva account, and landing on the main home dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the upper right area and click on Custom Size. This is the best place to start because it gives you full control over the page setup instead of forcing you into a preset that may not fit a professional quotation layout. When the Custom Size panel opens, change the measurement unit from pixels to inches. That step is important because quotations are often printed or shared as formal documents. So using standard paper dimensions helps everything stay consistent. In the width box, enter 8.5, and in the height box, enter 11. This gives you a standard US letter page size, which works well for business use. Next, click Create New Design. Canva will open a fresh blank page in a new workspace. Before adding any content, go to File, then View Settings, and turn on Show Margins. This gives you a visual safety area so your text and tables don't sit too close to the edge of the page, which is especially helpful if the document will be printed. Now it's time to add the structure for your quotation. On the left sidebar, click Elements, then scroll until you find the Tables section. Choose a clean table style and place it onto your page. Adjust the table so it fits comfortably in the lower half of the document. Then set up your columns for item description, quantity, unit price, and total amount. Using a table here keeps your pricing neat, readable, and aligned without constant manual adjustments. After that, go back to the left sidebar and click Text. Add a heading and type price quotation at the top of the page. Then add body text boxes for key details such as quote number, date, and client billing information. As you move these text boxes around, Canva will show alignment guides to help you line everything up cleanly with the page and with each other. Finally, review the full layout and make sure your text is clear, your table is balanced, and the overall design looks professional. When everything is ready, go to Share, then Download. Change the file type to PDF print for high quality output, enable crop, marks, and bleed, and then click Download. That's it. You now have a clean, professional quotation template in Canva that's ready to customize and send. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.